We are taking it over to Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading, for a glimpse into the life of a day trader. Hello, Mike. What's it like for new traders?
One thing that I find, and especially a lot of new traders, is that the psychology of trading can be, once you learn this stuff, then it all becomes a head game. And one thing that can mess up a trader, either they get a little bit gun shy or they get way too aggressive, is that they're chasing their P&L. And if they are swing trading, I mean, the nature of swing trading, you're going to be right sometimes, you're going to be wrong sometimes, and you can catch a string where where you have loser, loser, loser. And so when you start to look at your P&Ls on a weekly, monthly, quarterly basis, you may have, a very big, swing. Hopefully it's still in the same direction, and that direction is up, but the variance can really mess with your mind. And so for a new trader, that if you're able to day trade in a smaller time frame and a smaller range, much easier to control your risk, because you don't have to take as much risk, because you potentially have, during the day, I would say that we average about 27 trades a day. So you don't have to be right. If you have 10 swing trades on, it's a lot different than trading, 150 times in a week.
What are some steps for day trading?
So once you get your trading plan down and you are fastidious with your risk, then you will see a much smoother and predictable and profitable outcome to that. And that's the nice thing, is that you're very easily able to control your risk. You don't want to day trade in stocks that have wide bid-ask spreads, because not only do you need to get into a trade, you need to get out of a trade. And that's why for our day trading, I focus on big names. I really don't care where it comes from. I would say that I probably trade 90% of the time Qs. Very, very liquid, still with some volatility to it, but not so much volatility that you can't keep up with the market. And just the liquidity. If you like that idea, but maybe not as much volatility, then you would probably look at something like SPY. Or if you like lower priced options, then things like Apple. If you like the volatility, then you can look at your AMDs, and if you have a bigger account, NVIDIA, those are very expensive options.
Any final words of wisdom on day trading, Mike?
A lot of people love swinging for the fences. I do not approach trading in general that way, and certainly not day trading that way. Small, predictable moves with controlled risk.
Thank you, Mike.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.